Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, whatever reason you've not subscribed, I want you to click on the subscribe button. I want you to like, share, make your comments. I will definitely would love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So you just have to do is go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram there. So let's take a look at GBP JPY. First of all, we can see that GBPJPY has literally been trading above this trend line. Thereby, once we see this impulse move, we can see we saw a rejection from this trend line. We had another reaction from this trend line. But guess what market did here around here? It actually broke below it. That is an indication that price is now giving us a reversal movement. So there is a reversal. Price it actually broke out of it, came back, give us a pullback. Of course, when there's a breakout, there must be a pullback. And guess what? It gave us a new lower lows. That is an indication that we have now gotten a new trend, meaning GBP JPY is now dropping. That is one. Secondly, we can see that this our 10 period simple moving average is now trading below our 20 period simple moving average. That is an indication that we are now on a sell. And if you take a look at this on the 1 hour time frame, you can see something like a double top around this level right here. You can see that when markets came to this same level, we had a drop. Then what market did again, it actually came to this same level, and now ever since then, it has now been dropping. It has not given us a new highs. Instead, it has been giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So basically, GBP JPY is on a downtrend move. So you just have to do is wait for a pullback, this pullback to be over, which I don't believe it is over yet. A little bit of a push to the upside, then we would see more sell on GBP JPY. So follow us on Telegram. We'll be putting out some updates for you guys on Telegram.